So this morning, there's something that's a phenomenon that I've never seen happen before here. A little strange. Our entire pond back here is literally surrounded by birds. I think they're egrets. Most of them. There's other birds too. But look, it is the entire thing is surrounded. All the way around. There's this one over here. Keeps kind of flying out and then coming back. A couple of them seem to like do that. You know what I mean? We don't know why. I have no idea. I've never seen this happen before. I do know that because of the hurricane, our spillway is overflowing there. And this is very, very strange. Never seen anything like this before. They're not quite as much as on our side as they are on the other side. Over here. Yeah, a little strange. September 17th, I think, or 18th, I'm not sure. 2017.